mill, mill, mill. Noun. Definition: a building equipped with machinery for grinding grain into flour. Example: at mills or bakeries, barley flour can be added to flours from other grains for baking. Noun. Definition: a building fitted with machinery for a manufacturing process. Example: a steel mill. Noun. Definition: an engine. Verb. Definition: grind or crush something in a mill. Example: hard wheats are easily milled into white flour. Verb. Definition: cut or shape metal with a rotating tool. Example: in the machine shop we mill and grind the castings. Verb. Definition: of people or animals move around in a confused mass. Example: people milled about the room, shaking hands.
Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to get more free learning resources.